this is a really cool life. This is a fabulous planet. And we have the privilege of being here, right now. So enjoy it. Hey folks, it's Susan at the Rock Shop at 311 Broadway, historic downtown Paducah. Positive energy, it works. Time for your angel message, and I am using a new deck for me. This is Rebecca Campbell's Work Your Light Oracle Cards. Beautiful deck. I'm getting to kind of like it here. All right, so this deck has been cleared and shuffled. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to spread it out here. I'm here and pick 2 cards. Okay, I'll pick 2 cards. That's fine. All right, so 2 cards. First card, I'm just going to see where the energy is. Ooh, right there, it's like a breeze. Okay, so this card is play. All right, I always love it when the angels remind me, go out and play. Playing, okay, gives me permission. Have fun, celebrate. Don't be so serious. I'm serious. I'm not making this up. This is what the angels are telling you. So you have permission. In fact, they're telling you specifically, go play. Have some fun. Celebrate. Don't be so serious. You know, life is fun. Life is fun. It's not always fun. Some things aren't very much fun. But overall, life is kind of fun. And when we are so darn busy that we are not taking time for ourselves, for the pleasures of being here on this beautiful planet, you know, we get too one-sided, we get lopsided, we get out of balance. Play is really universal. All of the animals, everything that they have ever studied, they play, okay? And they play, you know, if you think about it, I'm just thinking, so when newborns, like in a den, like dogs or even cats, what they do is they play when they're just little bitty guys, you know, the little pups. They get out and they play. And they do it to strengthen themselves and to learn how to socialize with one another and to find out their role in society. So it's a very valuable activity. I think, you know, we think that when we get older, we're not allowed to play. Well, God's telling you, the angels are telling you, go out and play. So that's your command this week. Now, they said to pick another card. So let's see what lines up with that energy. All right, let's see here. Ooh, there's some tickles right there. Okay. Get grounded. Okay, wonderful. Empaths, highly sensitives. Is that you? I suspect it is, because I know it's me. Okay. All right, so this is a message for me too. Get grounded. Connect with nature. Yeah, this is definitely my message. Go out and play, because I have been taking myself a little too serious lately. I'm real busy. And get grounded and go out and play and connect with nature. And whatever, you know, is your soul refresher, do that. For me, it's getting out and watching the birds, watching the critters, you know, observing the beauty in nature. I love some mountains, love me some mountains. I need some mountain connections here. So go out and get connected. You know, sometimes we get all worked up in our head and we don't bring that energy back into our body, back and connect it with Earth. And for those of you who don't really understand what get grounded means, just sort of a simple, there's lots of ways to get grounded. One of them is just go outside and take your shoes and socks off and put your feet in the grass or on the ground or in the ocean. I love that one. In fact, let's just do that, okay? Let's just all go to the beach and have fun. Let's put our toes in the sand. Let's have some fun. Let's go play. Yeah. Works for me. Yeah, good advice. You know, it's toward the end of the year. Things are really crazy busy. Go out and play. Get grounded. Connect with nature, folks, and have some fun. You know, this is a really cool life. This is a fabulous planet, and we have the privilege of being here, right now. So enjoy it. Folks, I hope that message resonates with you this week. This is Susan at the Rock Shop, 311 Broadway, historic downtown Paducah. And listen, thumbs up are great. Please give us some comments. How do you plan on going out and playing? And how did you get grounded? Notice I'm using past tense because I'm telling you, you got to go out and get grounded. Hit that subscribe button. That really helps us grow. And if you hit that notification button, that little bell, then you get notified every time we put out new content, which is weekly. Folks, I hope that helps. This is Susan. Namaste.